Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to enable bedtime reminder on YouTube app. And now let's dive right in. Now to enable the bedtime reminder on your YouTube app, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us just beside the subscription. Tap on the more button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And when this panel loads, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a settings or a gear icon at the top right corner. Tap on the settings of the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, and over here tap on the general option, which is at the top of the list. And over here, guys, you can see the second option where it says remind me when it's bedtime. In order to enable the bedtime reminder on YouTube, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of that option. And with that being done, guys, after turning it on, again tap on the option over here on the left side, and then this kind of interface will appear when it says when my phone's bedtime mode is on. You use custom schedule, start time 11 p.m. You can choose your bedtime over here by tapping and choosing when do you go to sleep and when do you want to wake up over here. And with that being done, guys, your bedtime reminder on YouTube will be turned on. Or you can just tap on where it says when my phone's bedtime mode is on, or tap on OK. So I'll be just going to the custom schedule and tapping on OK. And with that being done, guys, your bedtime reminder will be enabled on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.